Ornithopods 1. Ornithopods, bird feet, were a group of ornithischian bird-hipped dinosaurs. This bipedal and quadrupedal herbivores had a horny beak, plant-cutting or grinding cheek teeth, and a pelvic and tail region stiffened by bony tendons. They evolved teeth and jaws adapted to pulping vegetation and flourished from the Middle Jurassic to the Late Cretaceous period. In North America, Europe, Africa, China, Australia, and Antarctica. Some ornithopods were no larger than a dog, while others were immense creatures up to 50 meters long. Iguanodons, an ornithopod group, had a broad, toothless beak at the end of a long snout, large jaws with long rows of ridged, closely packed teeth for grinding vegetation, a bulky body, and a heavy tail. Iguanodon and some other iguanodons had large thumb spikes that were strong enough to stab attackers. Another group, the Hadrosaurus, such as Gryposaurus and Hadrosaurus, lived in late Cretaceous times, and with their broad beaks are sometimes known as duckbills. They were characterized by their deep skulls and closely packed rows of teeth, while some, such as Corythosaurus and Lambeosaurus, had tall, hollow, bony head crest. Skeleton of Iguanodon: cranium, orbit, nares, mandible, cervical rib, scapula, humerus, sternal bone, radius, ulna, prepubic process, femur, pubis, tibia, fibula, metatarsal, ischium, ilium, chevron, neural spine, caudal vertebra, sacral vertebra, dorsal vertebra, cervical vertebra. Skull and mandible of young Mandellisaurus. Premaxilla, maxilla, cheek tooth, orbit, cranium, paroccipital process, jugal bone, coronoid process, mandible, dentary bone, predentary bone. External features of Mandellisaurus: heavy, stiff tail, thick shoulder, neck, eye, nares, tongue, beak, scaly skin, forelimb, thumb spike, hoof-like nail, finger, hand, wrist, elbow, toe, hoof-like nail, foot, ankle, hind limb, knee. Examples of iguanodons: Oranosaurus group, Iguanodontia, length 7 meter. Camptosaurus group, Camptosauridae, length 4.9 to 7 meter. Mutaburosaurus group, Iguanodontia, length 7 meter. Probactrosaurus group, Hadrosauridae, length 6.1 meter. Internal anatomy of hind leg of Iguanodon: ilium, iliotibial muscle, ambiens muscle, external pubo-ischiofemoral muscle, common digital extensor muscle, anterior tibial muscle, tibia, fibula, toe, hoof-like nail, tarsal, metatarsal, gastrocnemius muscle, iliofibular muscle, femur, tibial flexor muscle, short caudofemoral muscle, iliofemoral muscle.